Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me. This will be a little bit on the faster speed. I am just getting ready to go somewhere and I wanted to put on something that I loved. So all the products that I'm using today are going to be products that I love, that makes me feel confident and well put together. So if you want to watch this video, stay tuned. I'm starting with my Bareminerals. This is kind of my SPF all-in-one. It's a tinted moisturizer and SPF all-in-one. I have a few products here that I've collected, which you'll probably see in the thumbnail photo with like the products that I'm using. I'm going to use my color correcting Bareminerals concealer. This is in light 2. I'm just going to use it as another multi-purpose product here for just a little bit more coverage, but some correcting at the same time. This is such a nice product. It just kind of blends away and you can't even tell that there's anything that was placed under the eyes. It's really quite pretty. For setting powder, I was just going to use a powder foundation. This is the Youngblood and it's in Barely Beige. It's a pressed mineral foundation. And this is what it looks like inside. So I'm just gonna use a little bit for under the eyes, kind of set the lid as well for shadow later, and areas where I may need a little bit of setting, extra coverage as well. I love using powder foundations for multi-purposes. I have one in my purse at all times, no matter what, and then I have one at home. This is the Youngblood one that stays home with me, and then the Makeup Forever one is in my purse. I feel like this one actually sits nicer. The Makeup Forever one is more drying, so if anyone wants to know specifically. For cream bronzer, I am using this Nars Laguna in 01. The sun is pretty bright right now, so I hope it doesn't mess with the coloring too much. You guys can see how everything lays down on the skin. For blush, I wanted to use this again, the Dior Rosy Glow in Cherry. I absolutely love this blush and this color. It just like instantly brightens your entire complexion. It adds just life and beauty to your skin. And this particular color, I feel like it's just really flattering on like olive skin. I know it's flattering on really anyone because this particular color is just so beautiful. There's something about the way that it was created, this punchy color, but it's sheer. So when you put it on, you can still see your skin, but you see that beautiful punchy color. I don't know how it mixes and how they created it to be just right, just the right amount of pigment. I wish that the Patrick Ta blushes were more like this. His are so solid and so full coverage, and they're just way too impactful for fair skin. I don't know if anyone else feels that way, but my goodness. Like I would prefer to have like all these as opposed to buy one more of his. And I do have his old monochromatic formula, which is my favorite, and I don't know why they discontinued it because it's like perfect for fair skin. And that's like my one issue is I get it. People are complaining whether it's too pigmented or not pigmented enough, and the company kind of has to work with what they have. So it is what it is. You can pick from other companies' products that suit you. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I was just going to do this airbrow dark brown. Just adding some tint to the brows, brushing them out, and basically just leaving them as is. Just like that. And that also has like a kind of a cleanliness to it where you've done something, you don't know what. It looks really nice. I'll do my lips, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury in Hot Gossip. And the lipstick I wanted to use today is the Lancome in Call Me Sienna, and it's a more vibrant color. I've been doing a few too many neutrals recently, and I love using bright colors on the lips. Such a beautiful color, isn't it? So this is the Lancome Call Me Sienna, and this has just the funnest little package. I love this little popping rose at the top. Moving on, I will do a powder bronzer. I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury in medium. I'm just gonna put a little bit around the perimeters. I don't want to make it too bronzed because we are still in the winter time, so I don't want it to look unnatural and just too much. Okay, I hope the sun is not like too bright, but I hope you guys can see the colors just fine. I'm just gonna add in my eyelid, on my eyelids, just a little bit around here. Color on the nose. Do you see how that red just kind of connects? Oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. For eyeshadow, I am using one of Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize in Chocolate Bronze. Just doing a sheer wash of it because I wanted the focus to be the cheeks and the lips. Then this was going to be more minimal. The eyes are going to be, they're just going to have like a bit of a shadow, sorry. This color looks pretty intimidating like in the pan, but it's like a taupe brown, and it's really quite perfect. And it doesn't clash with olive skin. In fact, I think it's really complementary because if you look close, there's almost like a purple sheen to it. It just adds like a shadow look, the right color of a shadow look to olive skin. So if anyone wants kind of that one and done shadow look and you don't mind that it's in a pot, I know this can be kind of annoying sometimes because then you kind of have to carry around a brush to be precise and however you apply potted eyeshadows. But I feel like you can't really overdo it unless you like really apply the whole container to your eye, but it's really nice. It just has a really beautiful, do you see that? Where it kind of transforms on the eyes as the perfect shadow. And for other people, the perfect shadow comes in different colors, but for olive skin, it can't just be any color. On these one and done shadow looks, I do use an eyeliner. It's a little messy right now, and then I'll just use a smaller brush to blend it out and smooth it out. I tend to use a more firmer paddle brush to really be able to move the product precisely where I want it to go. I will curl and add mascara. So this is Shiseido curler and my Clinique High Impact Hi-Fi Full Volume mascara. I'll just do that and I will be right back. All right, as sort of a final step before I set my face, I wanted to use this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Highlighting Duo in Moodlight. This is the cooler tone with that golden option right there, which is absolutely perfect. So the way that I was going to use it is use a fluffy brush and just sort of go over the entire face like those hourglass powders, and just add like a shine to my entire face and add like an airbrush quality. I'll grab some of that golden one and add it to the inner corner and a little bit up here. So pretty. There is definitely something special about these highlight. There's just something beautiful about this particular formula. I did get it on sale. I did not purchase it full price. And the final step is this Porefessional Super Setter. I was watching someone else's video and she was talking about another setting spray and how you have to like keep it super close to your face because you can't feel the mist. This is the same thing. This mister is so fine, and so when you spray your face, you don't even feel it. It just feels like a puff of wind on your face. So I have to get in really close to even feel that the water is even hitting my face. It's really nice. Really, it's kind of like airless. Don't even know if that's a term, but a really nice setting spray. I've really been enjoying it, and I got that one on one of their sale days too at the store. That concludes my look for today. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me and using some of my super favorite product to create this brighter red lip and red cheek. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe my videos, join my channel, and get these videos multiple times a week, every week. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.